Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I've put a video up, so I thought I'd give you a quick update on the doghouse that I'm building. It is massive. It is about 1 meter by 800 on the inside, and it has plywood boards on the inside, and then polystyrene insulation, 2 layers of this 10mm stuff. It's built out of old roofing timbers, some nice jarrah, and the roof is made out of treated pine. We're on the home stretch here. I've got some nice sheets of gyprock. Bunnings sells half sheets. It was just really cheap, the $13 each, and they'll be really hard wearing. I've actually also got some house paint in the shed, which I picked up on special. There's a mist tints rack where Bunnings sometimes has colours that people have had mixed and then they realised it was wrong for whatever reason. The flooring in here is made out of what I believe is oak, some kind of oak. I could be wrong, I don't know. It was a table. It's got a stamp on the bottom that says made in Malaysia. We're going into hardwood here. So I'm going to have to pre-drill all of these holes. Beautiful. Kara's agreed to help me film this bit, on the condition that I'll wear this hat. Safety first.
If that doesn't go in the video, I'm going to be mighty unhappy with you.
It will. See, Kara had to hand me the camera once I was in. Thank you, Kara. Okay.
You're an ungrateful one.
Oh, no. I love you.
I love you.
This is going to be very difficult. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to film this. I'm just planning to use this square to kind of mark it off. Out. There we go. We got the ceiling boards on. Kara's about to help me lift it back onto the doghouse. Final thing to do is to get some polystyrene insulation onto the roof underneath the colour bond. What I have rigged up here is just a couple bits of wood with a piece of nichrome wire. Turn on power. Here goes the last piece of polystyrene. And the roofing is on. Doesn't it look grand? So, it's had a nice coat of white paint. We've got some caster wheels on the bottom so that we can actually move the thing around because it is heavy. I've got these boards on the front now, which will hide the edge of the colour bond on this edge. I've just got the guttering and the ridge cap that I still don't have a part for. And I've just put on some hinges, which I've not tested yet. So let's give that a go. Diesel, come here. Squeaky puppy. Squeaky puppy. Oh, squeaky puppy. Good boy. Here we are, we got some nice green on the fascia boards, and I'm just in the midst of fitting a door frame on. So as you can see, I'm really regretting this lovely rounded door because I need to seal up this gap. And what I've done is I've cut some of this thin plywood and a jarrah hardwood profile like that, and this obviously just slides in there, and then there's one of these on either side. But the question is how to get it round. Now I'm just contemplating how annoying it would be to cut this into heaps of little segments, and I'm really not feeling it. What I would like to try is just cutting this with the bandsaw heaps of times and folding it around there. And then, because I'm going to paint this anyway, I'll just fill all the gaps in with some kind of filler, and that'll be way easier. So let's give that a go. Okay. I didn't factor in how delicate this would end up being. Yeah, it's too soft, really. It's going to have to be lots of little bits, I think. I've got the first edging on, and it is looking nice. The door is all glued on, and it was accomplished with much kludgery. And the liquid nails has gone hard now, so it's all together. Very pleased with that. I think with a bit of filler and a bit of the old green paint, it will look spectacular. The other thing that's going on is I've made this little bracket, and that just sits on a screw up here, holds the lid open. This has kind of turned into a sporadic update video. I haven't actually filmed much of the process, but there it is. It looks a lot better with a bit of Brunswick green on the gutters. There we go. Excellent. And Diesel? Hey? What's it? You got nuts? What's it? You gonna go in your doghouse? Probably not till winter, hey? Probably not until winter. What's in there? Here. What's in there? What's in there? I think with the door frame painted, this project is done. It does not look too bad at all. I'm pretty pleased with that result. Oh, excellent. Hey Diesel, it's all done. Who's a good boy? Good boy. So there it is. It's finally finished. Hope you all enjoyed watching. This has been my first video in 6 months, and I now have a lot more subscribers, so welcome to all of you who subscribed in the second half of 2018. I hope there'll be more videos in 2019, so we'll see you there.